In this tutorial, you'll learn how to maintain a consistent voice when using ElevenLabs. By following these steps, you will ensure that the voice remains stable throughout your project, which is essential for clarity and professionalism. First, it is crucial to use the same voice consistently throughout your project. Avoid switching voices mid-project, as this can lead to disjointed audio that may confuse listeners. If possible, opt for a single custom voice or utilize the same preset voice for every generation. Next, you need to lock the settings to maintain stability during your audio generation. It is important to set the stability parameter between 65 and 80%. This setting controls the overall consistency of the voice. Additionally, adjust the similarity setting to a range of 75 to preserve the voice identity across different segments. Finally, keep the style or exaggeration setting low, ideally between 0 and 10%, to avoid introducing randomness into your audio. Changing these parameters can lead to voice drift, which you want to avoid. Consistency in your text style is also vital for ensuring that the AI responds appropriately. Maintain the same tone throughout your script, whether it is formal or casual. Keep the sentence lengths similar to avoid abrupt changes in rhythm and flow. It is essential to refrain from mixing emotional tones within a single script, such as transitioning from calm to angry or whispering. This approach will help maintain a steady delivery. When generating longer content, it is advisable to use line breaks instead of creating new prompts. Breaking a text with line breaks allows you to generate content in smaller chunks while using the same settings every time. This method prevents tone shifts that can occur when the AI interprets each new prompt as a separate context. Extreme emotions can negatively impact the consistency of the voice. If you need to introduce emotion into your script, do so lightly by using punctuation to convey feelings. Keep the style setting low during these instances. For example, you can express excitement or surprise with phrases like, "I can't believe this," or "this is really happening." This technique allows for emotional expression without compromising the overall consistency. For the best results, consider using a custom voice created in VoiceLab, especially if consistency is crucial for your projects, such as in YouTube videos, audiobooks, or brand voice applications. To create a custom voice, ensure you are using clean and clear audio for cloning, as this will yield the most stable results.